What's up, Empire Gang? Welcome back to the Empire
Family.
We back with the fam. We finna make some slime. It's called Scented Slime Glow. It's cotton candy scented. So we got glue. We got like different kind of sparkly glitter. We got like little paint to add in it. We got these. And then each one of us got one of these. So Jamar got his own, Naya got hers, mine, the Days and Majesties. And what all came in the pack? It came with some activator. It came with more glue. It came with this tray. It came with some paint. And then it came with the cotton candy smell scent to it. And then it came with some baking soda. Then it came with a spoon and a stick. So, it also came with the directions to it. Okay, so this is the directions. So, we all gonna open our bowls. Open up our caps on our thing. Open up your cap on your thing. And it says, it's telling us to not eat it and stuff like that. So it said how to make slime glow. Fill 1 cup with 7 ml of warm water. We ain't gonna listen to that. We're gonna do it how we do it. So we're gonna use this one since it's big. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop. Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
You what? Stop.
Okay, so on point. Each one of us gluing our thing. Okay, that's the glue. You want one of these or you want the spoon?
Give me the stick.
Now you Jamar. He taking the stick. I'm taking the spoon. So next we gonna add some activator. I'm gonna add some activator. Tell me when you want me to stop.
Stop.
Hi, Mommy.
Hopefully it come out right. Okay, so what else? Whatever else y'all want to do? Oh, we gotta add some baking soda into it.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. I got baking soda. I think that's good. If you need more, just ask. I'll give it to you. Okay. So we don't have to reach over everybody.
Yo.
Okay, that's the baking soda. So I'm gonna pull some of the stuff close to us. So we finna get started in making our slime. I'm gonna put, I think I wanna do purple. My slime.
We're gonna do this, Majesty.
Okay,
Yeah, we're gonna do this one.
This
Squeeze it inside.
I want blue though.
It ain't no blue. Oh, you want this out of here?
Oh no, baby, it's not open. Come on, squeeze it.
Okay, I put purple. Now you put purple and yellow in hers. Jamar want blue, so open up your thing.
That's
How
good
you
enough.
Yeah.
This.
Oh yeah. It's nothing coming out of this.
You gotta.
Okay.
Oh, that's it.
Give me that purple.
Oh, pink.
Oh, baby.
Mom, that's purple,
Oh,
Mom.
purple. We're gonna do purple. Squeeze it.
Squeeze it. You doing it with daddy. Jamar put blue in his.
I'm gonna put some yellow.
There we
Who
go.
got the yellow? Thank you.
I'm gonna add some pink to mine.
Give me some of that.
After you're done,
Mustard.
Oh.
Oh, snap. One of my clothes. Here.
Uh-oh.
Oh, snap. One of my clothes. Here.
Uh-oh.
And then I'm gonna add me some glitter
Wait,
to
baby,
mine.
I'm gonna add some glitter to mine.
Wait for this stuff to get on you.
Master, stop it.
Gold glitter.
Oh, there you go. That's the gold. Here. So I'm gonna start mixing mine up.
I'm gonna start mixing mine
Yeah.
up.
Put the glitter in there. Here. Glitter.
So I'm mixing mine up. That's how mine's looking so far.
Okay, put
When
some
I
in
mix it up,
Mine just look all blue. I should have put more stuff in it.
put more stuff in it if you want to put more stuff in it.
there. Okay. Okay, now we gotta mix it up. Come on.
I think I'm gonna add some more glitter to
so
mine.
far too.
I think I'm gonna do the dark.
Ooh, that's cool.
Ooh. Beautiful.
I didn't put
We doing our slime. We all got slime.
Mommy, look at mine.
Ooh, there you go.
I like
baby.
yours, Mommy.
I think I'm gonna add me a little bit more activator to mine.
Me too. Can I get more, Mommy?
No, don't play with it yet.
Activator to everybody. Want more activator today?
You gotta finish stirring it up first.
Yeah, mine.
Mine's like a unicorn color. Yeah.
Mine's like a cotton candy, or like a like outer space one.
Yeah, now you got like an outer space color to hers.
Look at mine. Mine
Oh,
looks like
Jamar's on blue. His on like the sky.
Mhm.
Look at this.
Look at Babe's and Max's on. They's on like a grayish blue.
Mhm.
So this how mine is so far.
Oh,
We need
put
some
your hand in there.
hands. And a pink. There you go.
You want more glue to yours?
Yeah.
Cause this how it's supposed to look.
Wait, you gotta finish it first. Wait.
Man.
You want more baking soda?
Yeah. Take this.
I need more glue.
Need
Like,
some more glitter. Need some more activation.
like. I need more glue too.
Some more activation.
Like a little bit.
Hold on, baby.
There you go.
I'm getting everybody's on, right? What
What
color glitter?
Give me
Look
the
at
gold.
mine. Get me some more glitter.
Adding glitter.
Can you give me that color? Oh my god, Mommy,
Which color?
I want purple.
Now you're adding purple to hers.
Ooh, look at mine, guys.
Show the camera yours. Oh, you see it. Now you're
Stop.
adding more color to hers. You want to add more color to yours?
Yeah, give me some of that color.
You need to start mixing it with your hand. That's why I still worry.
Mommy. I don't need to fix this on my end.
I would have put that color.
What color
That's
you want?
purple? Give me, no, give me purple. I did that color.
Oh man, that's so finger. Look at
I'm gonna add a
mine.
little bit more pink to mine.
What this look like?
Yeah, it's coming out nice. Finish mixing it.
Mine just kind of
Okay,
came
that's
out.
good.
Mine's like this, you guys. Mine just came out good.
To mine.
Move that spoon out the way. Wait.
I'm gonna add more.
We got purple and
Glitter?
blue.
They got purple and blue added today.
I got purple.
Oh, I should never added that to mine. Look how I got
like
mine.
something.
Wait,
Mine was just right.
I'm
I'm
finna.
trying to get it right.
Be
for you,
careful.
baby. Wait.
Guys, look at mine.
Well, I gave Majesty mine.
Cause she finna cut up.
I'm gonna make me another one.
Yeah. Mommy, look at mine. Mine came out good. Mommy, look at mine. Mine came out good.
That's good.
I wanted to do slime
get
for the
stuck in my hand.
longest because I bought some slime.
Oh, mommy, I need some
From
cotton candy.
the store. And then I bought some.
Talk one at a time.
I
Everybody can't talk all
I
at the
bought
same
slime
time.
from the store and it was so good, but it didn't work out good. I made it pink
Get out
with
your
some
face.
glitter. You can talk now.
Basti got hers.
Mommy, I can use cotton candy.
You gotta put it back in the bowl to get the scent on it.
Okay. Okay. I want some
They adding the cotton candy scent today's. You want to add her?
Yeah.
Adding cotton
Oh,
candy
she got
scent
to do
today's.
hers again.
I'm doing mine
Oh,
over.
I can smell it.
Oh, it smells good. You can smell the scent of the cotton candy in it.
Can we make two slimes?
No. One slime. I'm just making me another one because I can't.
Ooh, smell mine, mommy.
That kind of candy smell good.
Mine smell very good.
You hear this?
Got a squish sound to it. Adding all these to mine because I got to remake mine over.
I be doing this at my school, but I don't even have no slime there.
Yeah, it's
Cause
stink.
I wanna buy it.
It's stink.
And I look,
Yeah.
cause you bought some.
Oh, shit.
Mmm.
It's
Mmm.
your hair's gonna get stingy.
Is it-
Look at mine,
Mmm.
It's spreading. Look, and it's popping every time I spread it.
Watch out.
Sorry.
Oh, that's what happened. I ain't add no baking soda to mine. I'm tripping.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Mine just got bluish on mine.
Master drop to us. Here you go.
Man, we gonna have some fun with this slime.
So everybody got their own slime, their own little containers to keep their slime in.
Yeah.
But my slime.
So this is my slime. It's purple now.
Like mine.
Mine's got a gold glitter.
It's just purple. Or just.
So I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And me and the family out. Peace.